Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the new Orbs Apprentice badge for your Discord profile. This is my full guide on how to get this badge in simply one Discord quest, and this feature is currently rolling out to all users. Currently, it is at 26% of all users, but it should be going near 100% over the next couple days. No joke, it should be coming out to everyone because Discord has just posted the actual trailer to their YouTube channel recently, and so this will be rolling out to everyone. So that is right, guys. Discord has finally added another badge. Now, the last badge that Discord added was the Quest badge, which was added probably, I think, last year. If not, no, it was added last year. So not that far apart, but to be honest, though, we don't really normally get badges in general. Sometimes they go multiple years without adding any badges whatsoever. So this is awesome that they're adding another badge, because everyone loves free Discord badges for your profile. And yes, this is free. Technically, you have to pay for it, but you're not paying money. You're paying with Orbs, which is the new currency that Discord now has. So if you're on your main Discord page here, if you have the update, there will be basically a pop-up that will come in the middle of the screen just saying, introducing Discord Orbs, and there'll be a button there's a button that says Earn Orbs. And that's just sort of to tell you that you do have this feature. If you don't have it yet, then just wait, because it will be rolling out, and it is rolling out currently to everyone else. When it first released, it was actually only out to about 4% of users, but now it's all the way up to 26%, and that number is just going to keep rising and getting closer to 100% as they just released the official trailer. So we're going to go to the shop here, and you should have a tab called Orbs Exclusives on the top. So unlike our normal shop where you have to spend, Canadian or US dollars to buy, all these cosmetics, instead you could just go to the Orbs Exclusive tab, which is for Discord Orbs, where you could actually spend these this new currency. And as you can see, you could actually spend Orbs on all of these shop items that are featured. Like, not every single one, but all of the sort of, I guess, the base ones that Discord has, you can buy. Now, they only offer so many, but these are the ones that they offer for Discord Orbs. And we can see that their Orbs amount are pretty high, like 4,000 Orbs, 8,000 Orbs. That's a lot of Orbs, so these will take you, time to actually save up for in order for you to actually buy them. And the really cool thing is they have 4 Orb exclusive items here. We have the Apprentice badge, which I'll be showing you how to get right now for free today. And then we have Discord Nitro credit. So they actually added a free way, or another free way, to get Discord Nitro. This time, instead of waiting for quests to come out, that is for a day in Nitro, you can actually buy 3 days by saving up 1,400 credits. The last 2 exclusives are 2 Orb exclusive decorations for your avatar and your background here on your profile. So these ones can only be obtained through Orbs. You cannot purchase these with real money. And if you want, you could always click View Details to actually view what it would look like on your profile for each of the rewards here. And it also shows you what comes with Nitro when you buy it. And then, of course, the Orbs badge, which is what all of you guys on this video are here for today. Quickly, guys, before I go into how to get this badge, please join my Discord server. It is linked in the description below. If you have any Discord questions whatsoever, please ask them in my server. I am a Discord YouTuber, and I make Discord videos and tutorials on how to set up a great Discord server and set up bots and all of the above, as well as on Discord updates that come out frequently. So make sure to check out my channel if you're interested in other Discord tutorials, and join my server for more support. And once again, if you're having any trouble with this Orbs update, please join my server and ask in the support chat down below. Anyways, right back to the video. So guys, simply all you're going to have to do to get this quest is you're going to go to the Discovery tab, and under the Quest tab, just like you're doing any other quest. And as you can see, there's actually a complimentary Orbs quest here, video quest, and it's for 150 Discord Orbs. Now, if you note previously in the Orbs exclusives, you can see that the badge is worth 120. So essentially, by doing this free quest that they are giving to everyone, you could actually get the badge instantly. Now, none of these other quests here actually offer any other Discord Orbs yet, but the ones in the future will offer Discord Orbs with them. Now, I'm not sure exactly how it will work, but my guess is there will be some quests, let's say for a game, like for example this one or something, or like, or some sort of bundle that'll give you straight up just Discord orbs, like how this quest is giving here. And the other option that I think would happen is, say it's giving, an avatar decoration. Maybe it'll give an avatar decoration and maybe like plus 100 extra Discord orbs on the side. Just to say that you completed the quest, you also get like bonus orbs just for completing it in general. They might make some sort of base amount of Discord orbs, because in reality, they only had so many Discord quests every month. I would say between 3 and 7 quests a month. And if they don't give any Discord orbs with any of them, or at least if they only give Discord orbs with like one of them, it would take literally months and months and months to save up to even 4,000 for one single avatar decoration. So they should be adding bonus orbs for every single quest that they release, as it just makes more sense for the future. Now anyways, so we will see this Discord quest here to claim 150 Discord orbs, and simply it's a video quest to watch the intro to Discord orbs and earn enough to unlock a profile badge. So this is just the new trailer that they released on their YouTube channel. If you didn't already, I actually made a video on this trailer leak, but I'll still watch it with you together because it's a pretty cool trailer. So we're just going to click Start Video Quest, and I'll start playing the trailer now. Now, I'm not going to put on any sound, but this is basically what it is. Introducing Discord Orbs. It shows all these different cards, and you can accept the quest. You claim the reward from the quest, and you'll get your Discord Orbs. And it says earn orbs, get nitro and other items in the shop. We can see all the options around it here. We can see the items, we can see nitro credit, and all the orb exclusives without spending a dime, of course, because you don't have to spend anything because Discord orbs are completely free. Reward your play, and that is the new update for Discord orbs from Discord. And you can always click learn more to actually learn more about it, but we're not going to do that right now. But if you want to, you can. And we're just going to click on claim reward. Then you just verify yourself here, and it will be applied. There we go. Your Discord, your orbs balance is now 150 orbs. Great work. Let's get spending. So it shows your active balance here. So let's say you already had 100, then this would actually say 250. Also, that was a really cool orbs animation here. I actually like that animation that they did here. And actually, there's also a Discord orbs terms page here. So if we actually view this, we could actually just see the terms of usage for these orbs. And it even says here, you cannot transfer, sell, or gift to other third parties. So these are all against the TOS. So do not do any of these things. To be honest, I bet there will be people trying to do this and trying to break the rules. So if anyone offers you anything, if anyone offers you to, sell you Discord orbs, or I don't know, buy an account with Discord orbs, do not do that. That is a scam. That is against Discord TOS. And it doesn't matter anyways, because you will be getting this feature very soon, if not already. So do not do that. And let's go back to here, and we'll click on Explore the Shop. Now that we're back in the shop here, it actually says in the top right, more quests await. Quickly access Quest Home through your balance to earn more orbs. So this is a new feature that they added. You can actually just click on your balance of orbs here, and it'll instantly take you to the Quest Home by clicking on Open Quest Home. And it'll just simply take you here, so you don't have to just click through, to Discovery, then Quests. Then you can just click on that option there. And there's also, I forgot to mention, this giant banner here saying Introducing Discord Orbs, earn 3 quests, spend and shop, and you could actually just click on Explore Orbs Exclusives. Okay, so now we can see that we could actually buy this apprentice badge, so we are going to purchase it. So we're just going to click on Claim for 120 Discord Orbs. And it'll look like an actual payment, like as if you were buying Nitro with real money. It actually looks very, very similar, but that's because there's all these different terms and services terms that is applied here. So that's why it looks like this. And it says it's a secure purchase, so you don't have to worry about that. And it shows your balance and how much it will be purchasing it for. And you're just going to click on Claim with Orbs. And there we go. You collected the Orbs profile badge. The badge has been added to your profile. You could earn more orbs, or you could view your badge, and let's click on View My Badge. So we can see that the badge is now on my Discord profile, and this badge, personally, I think looks cooler than the Quest badge, just in terms of style, and for a new badge, it actually looks pretty clean. If we actually hover over it, it says Orbs Apprentice, and I really think this badge is really cool, as it gives another, another chance for users to get to go for another free badge for your profile. Now, the only thing I want to mention here is once you have the Orbs badge on your profile, I do not think that there is a way to remove it. Currently, you can. The only badge you can remove, I believe, is the like previously known as badge. But other than that, though, I do not think you could remove the Orbs Apprentice badge from your profile. Same for like when completed a quest badge came out. You know, once you get that, once you complete a quest, you can't really remove that badge from your profile. So just letting you know, if for some reason you do not want another badge on your profile, do not get it because it will be stuck on there. But I'm assuming most of you guys want this badge on your profile because it's another Discord badge, and who doesn't love another badge? But nonetheless, though, guys, that is how you get the new Discord Orbs Apprentice badge. If you guys have any questions about this Discord badge or about the actual update, or if I missed anything, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or please join my Discord server. It is linked also in the description below, and join it and go into my support channels here and ask all your questions there, as I will most likely reply there quicker than through my YouTube comments. But anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other Discord tutorials. I hope you have a great rest of your day or week or night or whatever time it is for you right now, and I will see you guys in the next Discord video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.